For breakfast, I had the Bayou shrimp. This is a Gulf shrimp sauteed with pork tasso and Creole tomato sauce, served over some poached eggs, fried green tomatoes, and buttermilk biscuit. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, guys, so we just left Ruby Slippers, and Ruby Slippers the food was amazing, totally different, cuisine, Creole cuisine and everything. It was good. So right now we just walk down the street and check out some different spots and everything there. Yeah, man.
You got it. Seriously?
All right, Yannick. So right now, guys, we're down on Magazine Street. Yeah, Magazine. Yeah. So, what is this area called? Garden District.
Yeah.
Uptown Garden District. Why are you sad this morning? Huh? Why are you so sad? Huh?
There we go.
All right.
There we go. Talk now.
That's what we're looking for.
Talk now. Yeah, man. Talk.
What's that? Fashionista.
That the customer wants to see.
What kind of stylist? Leopard print. Sure.
Hold on.
Eh? What kind of print?
Look at the belt. Hold on. Mr. Ear. I'm costume.
Alright, guys, so we're stuck in the rain right now. We'll just have to wait until the rain eases down a little bit before we can continue our journey. So we're just chilling for a minute. Alright, guys, so over there you have Firehouse 23, New Orleans Department Museum. It's a nice little brick building. I don't know the history of it or anything or how old it is. Alright, so this used to be an old college campus, the Morris building.
So then everything preserved, just sit up.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Wow. Beautiful. What's that? What do you name what I signed it?
What name?
Yeah. Why name? Yeah, so famous spot. Yeah. Famous spot here in New Orleans. Across the street you have that famous cemetery, alright? See it there? Yeah, man. I'm not gonna be able to get inside today, but maybe on the next trip I'll check it out. Alright, so right about now we are trying to catch a little streetcar. Yeah, so we'll catch a streetcar and then
straight to Bourbon, baby.
Wow. Bourbon. Bourbon Beach or Bourbon Street? Which one? Bourbon Street. Alright, so yeah, we'll go down by Bourbon Street and get some drinks, some food, and all that good stuff.
So
yeah.
New Orleans, they know me out of it.
They said I know you there.
So I'm not have to worry. You know what I mean?
What's coming? It's coming? Yeah, we have change.
You get the change ready.
Alright.
I don't remember how it goes.
Where's the car?
It's coming.
Cart, I come.
How much per person?
I think $1.
$1 or something like that. Hoping a raise. So,
move away, Andre.
see there?
Move
That's
away
the,
from the edge.
what do you call it?
Real car.
Real cart or whatever you call it. So we're on Bourbon Street. I'm gonna show you a little tour. I was really carrying my cup from behind me. No. Yes, guys. So this is some type of Halloween decor or Mardi Gras. I don't know exactly what it is, but yeah. All right, guys. So we're now heading to the French market. That's what it's called, right? All right, French market. See that big pumpkin right there? I don't know if that's their original logo or they're just doing it because of the whole, you know, Halloween thing, you know, with the pumpkin theme and all that stuff. Pumpkin spice. Yeah, but we're about to check it out and see what it's all about, see what the rave is all about. What? Cafe du Monde. Cafe du Monde is on the right? Okay, so where are we going first? Oh, Cafe du Monde. Okay, so we're gonna check out Cafe du Monde on the right. Du Monde? Or Du Monde? Du Monde. Okay, so we're gonna check out Cafe du Monde or Du Monde first, and then see what the heck it's all about. All right.
So this is a word famous thing?
Ah, yeah, Nick. So that's Cafe du Monde, the original coffee stand.
Still use cash only. See this from 1950s
All right.
also. So we're the the hacks from the 1950s.
Give us a little history on what's going on here. Can't know history?
You're gonna get French donuts, the best French donuts in the world.
Yeah? All right. So she said it's the best French donut in the world. What, the Mississippi River on that side? Okay.
See over there.
All right, so.
And the steps and normally see entertainers over there.
All right, guys, so we're gonna climb up on that little step right there and take a look at the Mississippi River. Jackson Square is a historic park in the French Quarter of New Orleans, Louisiana. It was declared a National Historic Landmark in 1960.
Don't tell me to take pictures one and step in and come by yourself. Do not tell me. Do not tell me.
Check out this nice little view, guys. This is the Mississippi River. It is the third longest river in North America. This is right next to Jackson Square. Nice little view.
Thousand years later.
So I think I'm a light now. The light? Yeah, light on. Radam.